We're testing now for proteins, and the reagents that we use for testing for proteins is Biuret. Biuret. Please do not confuse Biuret with Benedict's, which is the reagent for simple sugars. Again, Biuret for proteins. And Biuret is also a shade of blue. It could be a dark blue color like the one in your jeans. Or it could be a lighter one, it depends on the preparation. In this case is the light shade for Biuret. When Biuret turns from blue to purple, it means that we have a positive reaction for proteins. So in this case, we have three samples. We have albumin, egg albumin. You know, egg albumin is the protein in the egg whites. Okay, so this is albumin. All right, it's a little bit yellowish. Then we have here a supersaturated solution with starch. Starch is, you know, a complex carbohydrate, so that should give us a negative reaction. And when we have, here we have glucose, and glucose is a simple carbohydrate. So now we're going to add a drop or two of your Biuret to each of the reagents. Okay, let's add a squirtful and shake it. I am adding here on glucose. I have no color reaction whatsoever on glucose. Let's add it to starch, and I have no color reaction here on the starch either. But let's see what happens when we add it to our egg albumin. Okay, so we're going to add it to our egg albumin, and if I have a protein, it's going to turn purplish. Okay, so as you can see, I having a color change. Maybe it's not as visible on camera, but I'm having a purple pellet being produced. So this is a positive reaction for proteins. Let me add a little bit more. It just takes a little bit of time depending on the preparation. This is a very light Biuret reagent, so it might take longer. But in essence, it's going to turn a little bit purplish or lavender, and I don't know whether you can actually visualize that purple kind of like pellet that I'm getting here. Eventually Biuret is going to react with all the albumin, and this tube is going to congeal. It's going to turn jelly-like. Again, it's changing into this purple color. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a purple color developing at the end of the tube. Again, you will expect this whole solution to have turned purple or lavender, but the intensity and how quick the reaction would happen would depend on your Biuret reagent. Thank you so much.